Today I'm gonna show you how to reset the oil maintenance light on the Honda Odyssey 2007. You see there the oil life is 10% and also the maintenance range is on. So we will show you how to reset to 100% and also this range will go away. My car is on, so let's turn off first, okay, and then put this one on the second position on accessory mode, okay, and then this button, okay, press this one for 10 seconds first. Okay, I'm gonna press
10 seconds later.
start blinking. Okay, now I have to press again for 5 seconds and it will turn to 100% and also the maintenance range will go away.
A few moments later.
Okay, here let's see if it came back to 100%. Here it is 100% and also the range sign went away. Okay, thank you. This is very easy. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe.